Hi guys, clean my bag with me. We'll put everything out. So this is my ball pen and pencil case with some cotton because it's for design. And then I put my ruler in here, but I forgot to put my ruler in here today because we are just half day. And this is a boat that we made in school. I just put it in here just in case we will do the activity my teacher promised us. And this little light. And the thing at the top is running out, so I might do a part 2. So yeah, and face mask, so I don't get a disease in my candy that I prepared for. I am using this stuff too. So let's put it in here. Oh my gosh, your time is running out. So let's put these things in here and my face mask. Okay guys, I'm done. Bye!